Kia ora whānau. This little video is about an introduction to a lesson for commands for people. So these are some other commands that you can give to people in order to obtain objects from a location or a person, rather than just ho mai te puka puka, pass me the book. We can extend it further, and there's two new phrases, right? And one of them is mauria mai, bring to me, tangohia, take from someone else, right? So to practice would be mauria mai te puka puka ki au, right? Bring the book to me. Ho atu te puka puka ki a Mr. Chittenden. Give the book to Mr. Chittenden. Tangohia te puka puka mai ia Mr. Chittenden. Take the object from Mr. Chittenden. Tangohia, take, as in tangohia or who, take off your shoes. Right, we're going to look at a couple more. The next two that we're going to look at are waiho, as in leave, whakahokia, as in return. Right? Waiho te puka puka ki kōnā. Leave the object there. As in kōnā, way over there. So waiho te rorahiko ki kōnā. Leave the computer there. Right? And there's two with whakahokia te puka puka ki a Mr. Chittenden. Return the book to Mr. Chittenden. Whakahokia te puka puka ki kōrā. Return the book back over there. In other words, put something away. So whakahokia, return. Whakahokia tō tapu tapu, which is equipment, means return your equipment, put it away, pack up for the day. And once again, like on the slide, you'll be able to go down and look at classroom objects that you can put the nouns in and just use those simple structures. And just like the previous slides, you can use this either to teach from or as a PD tool to help you with some language in the classroom. There's the classroom objects, and on the slide there's also kitchen objects so that we can kōrero Māori in the staff room on our breaks during Te Wiki o Te Reo Māori, but also every other day if you feel comfortable. Ngā mihi.